Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you to 2D structural analysis tool, which is PermaLearn.xyz. You could just tap in PermaLearn.xyz and it is you to this website. So I will pick an example from a textbook and I choose this one, 7.9. Okay. So let's take a look at this problem and let's do it in PermaLearn. Okay. Let's identify the support at A as fixed support, and this is the linearly distributed load, which is 6 kilonewton per meter going downward, and with the distance of 3 meter. Okay, now let's start. Horizontal distance from the beginning point is 3. Click add. Okay, now we have it here, and let's add support. We have only one support at A, which is fixed. So, okay, add this coordinate and fixed, add. All right, now let's add the load. Since it's linearly distributed load, member number one is vertical, as you can see. Yes, it's vertical. And the begin load is 0, and the end load is, let's see, minus 6. Minus 6 because it's the force is going downward since we assume positive upward. So it's minus 6 kilonewton per meter and click add. Now what we are looking for is shear and moment. So let's go to our solution and click on what we want. Okay, now we want shear and let's display it. You can just put your mouse on it and you see the value of shear. Okay, and one more is about bending moments. So click on it and click on display, and let's see the result here. You can also change the mesh size a little bit smaller, maybe around 0.5. Save option. Okay, or 0.1. All right, I think that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.